Local news for Wednesday, the 1st of April. Electricity bills for consumers of Powerco's electricity lines are expected to reduce from today as a result of the downward adjustment to Powerco's allowable revenue. Under Part 4 of the Commerce Act, the Commerce Commission regulates monopoly infrastructure providers, including most local lines companies. Real-time data from realestate.co.nz indicates that Kiwis have hit pause on selling their homes at the end of March as the industry adapted to a temporary disruption. Wairarapa did see an increase in listings of 10% last month, and the average asking price dropped 8.5% to just over $544,000 region-wide. Spending through Paymark dropped a huge 72% below average a year ago, on Thursday the 26th of March. Not surprisingly, being the first day of the level 4 restrictions. For the 7 days ending March, though, Wairarapa saw a near record increase, not surprisingly, in pharmacy, food and liquor stores. And while COVID-19 continues to grip the country, as of 9 o'clock yesterday morning, Wairarapa count remains at 5, with 1 recovery. Across New Zealand, there are 647 confirmed or probable cases, with 74 having recovered. Kia ora, for local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.